trick the algorithm. I repeat, trick the algorithm. All right. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling you how to trick the algorithm and make YouTube to keep recommending your videos for you to get more views. All right. So if you know you're interested in this video, kindly sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end, because I'll be spilling how you will get YouTube to keep recommending your videos, and in turn you will keep getting more views. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video. So guys, as we all know, on YouTube, if you post out a video and people are not watching your video, YouTube will not be motivated to keep recommending your videos. Yes, you know that as you post and people get to watch, it tells something. It sends a message to YouTube or to the algorithm that there is something going on in this video. And as such, it will keep pushing out the video because people are watching. So it will keep pushing out the video to more people to keep watching your video. Yes. Now, how do you get people to keep watching and in turn get the algorithm to notice that people are actually watching this video for them to keep pushing out your video for you to get more views? The very first thing you have to do is this: creating an auxiliary account. Yes, create another account for yourself. Do not stop in having just one account. Yes, initially I had just one account, you know, and like they said, education is never ending. Yes, you keep learning. Right here on YouTube, we keep learning. When I learned the need for you to have a second account, I decided to try it out, because whatever I see, I try it out to see how it can benefit me. And if it benefits me, I come out here to share it. All right. Now, I created a second account, and I noticed that once I upload a video, I I can give my video like 30 minutes, yes, for YouTube to do its work, recommend the videos, or even 1 hour, yes, for them to do their initial work. They need to do their work, they need to recommend your videos. All right. Now, but if you notice that maybe after 30 minutes or 25 minutes, you've not gotten any views, especially this is most especially for new YouTubers, yeah, people that are still trying to navigate their way around YouTube. If you notice that 25 minutes, 30 minutes, not even one view on your video, no, you need to do something. Yes, you need to sit up and take the bull by the horns. Yes, you need to actually do something. So what you will do, you switch to your next account and watch that video from beginning till the end. Yes, and it's not just about watching the video from beginning till the end. Like the video, that thing you are telling people to do, give that video a thumbs up, drop an engaging comment as well on that comment section. Yes, so that it can send a message to YouTube algorithm that somebody is watching this video. And it doesn't stop at that. After having watched with your account, if you have a sister or a friend or a neighbor that stays around you who you know already um has a YouTube account, like not really a YouTube page or channel, you can borrow the person's phone, or you can tell the person to please search for your name. Don't send your link. Don't I've done that video before. If you have not watched that video, I will link it up somewhere here so that you can watch the video. It is very, very bad to share your YouTube link. So please do not share your YouTube links out. What you're going to do, you can borrow the phone, your neighbor's phone, your friend's phone, your sister's phone, or whatever, and go to your page, search for the video, watch that video from beginning till the end, give that video a thumbs up, equally drop an engaging comment. Or if the person cannot lend you their phone, tell the person, beg the person, actually, yes, because you are begging, you need a favor, beg the person that to please head on to YouTube, that you are still a new YouTuber and you posted a video. Tell the person to help you to watch that video from beginning till the end. And even if the person doesn't want to comment, the person can at least like the video. All right. You can tell your friends, you can send to your groups. When you do this, you find out that those people that are watching the algorithm will start noticing that, wow, it seems people are finding this video interesting. And what will they do? They will keep pushing out the video. Yes, that is why I said you need to trick the algorithm. You cannot just post a video and go and sleep. There are a lot of work for you to do after posting your video. I mean, this is 2024, and like some people will say that YouTube is already too oversaturated. But let me tell you, it is not too oversaturated for anybody. Yes, even though we are in 2024, it is not too saturated for you to make it. People are making it here on daily basis. So why can't you make it? People are tricking the algorithm. So why can't you trick? You need to trick the algorithm as well. So you can borrow your sister's phones, your friend's phone, and watch your video, drop an engaging comment. At least when 3 or 4 people have watched the video and engaged, the algorithm will notice that there is something going on in this video. And as such, they will push it, even if they are not pushing it as, I'm not talking about virality right now. I'm talking about at least showing people your videos for them to see. And when people start seeing it, you're getting views, and as you're getting views, if your video is quite interesting for your audience, they will subscribe. Why are they subscribing? Because they want to see more of your videos. So guys, I believe you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Yes, drop a comment in the comment section. If you have any questions as well, you can drop your questions in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's grow, because I'll keep dishing out more videos like this. And most importantly, help me to share this video so that more people out there can get to see this good news. So guys, till I see you guys next time, bye for now.